I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now, unlock the phone and open settings, then use the search field to type Control Center so you get straight to the option. Make sure your Redmi 12 runs the latest MIUI build. If not, update quickly. Once done, return here. You want the native configuration, so skip launchers or mods. Tap the entry labeled Control Center and Notification Shade and get ready to flip the system option that switches to the new layout, which is the only supported method. Now enable the new Control Center. Toggle Use New Control Center on in that settings page. This switches the interface immediately. Once the layout appears, swipe down from the top right to open it and inspect the quick tiles. To customize, tap the pencil or edit icon, drag tiles to reorder, remove ones you never use, and add essential toggles from the available list. Make sure to save or exit the editor so changes persist. This is why you set the toggle earlier. Finish by tapping Done or pressing back to confirm your layout. Then test it with a few swipes. Top right opens Control Center, top left shows notifications, so verify both. If tiles behave oddly, reboot the phone to force the system to reload settings. If the new Control Center option is absent, update MIUI, clear the Settings app cache in Apps right arrow settings, and try again. If problems persist, a system update or a factory reset may be required, but update first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.